Hey everybody, it's Brandon coming to you once again from the world famous NimbleLink Nerd Lair. And on this From the Workshop Nerd Note, I wanted to take just a minute to talk about a common question we get from a lot of our developers and first-time customers that just aren't sure where to start. They're on board, they love the idea, but they just don't know kind of how to dig in and get started. So the answer to that question, pretty simply, is start with one of these guys. This is the Skywire Development Kit, and this is a single platform that works with all of the different Skywire modems, regardless of which technology, regardless of which carrier, whatever, they all fit right into the Skywire Development Kit. Reason we recommend going this route is this is a known good hardware configuration. It's been used for years and years and is tested and proven to basically always work the right way. Unlike if you immediately start popping this into your custom design and then you have troubles, we don't really know kind of where those troubles are coming from. So start with a known good configuration, start working with it. The other advantage of this is we already have lots of demo code and application notes that are out there for the different types of modems, which tells you kind of immediately how to get started using this thing. The other nice thing about it too is it's pretty universal. So if you then, as your next step, start wanting to add this as an Arduino shield, for example, you can change some jumpers over, pop it straight into an Arduino socket, and off you go. So it has that capability to kind of take you to the next step, the next level. The other thing you're going to need is service. So you can get service from the carrier of your choice. If you would prefer not to mess with any of that stuff, you can go to go.nimblelink.com. There are service options there for developers to kind of just jump in and get started so that you can activate your devices. So that's pretty much it. Get the modem of your choice, get a Skywire Development Kit, and get service. And with that, using the supplied example code and application notes, you can pretty much get up and running, getting your things working the way you want to, see what the responses from the modems are when you send it some of the AT commands. And then start moving from there into the subsequent steps, using shields, using adapters, using some of the other kits we make available, or going straight into your custom hardware design. So hopefully that is helpful. Hopefully that helps kind of clear up some confusion as to whether you like the idea of a Skywire modem, you like getting involved with cellular technology, but you just don't know how to jump in and get going. So if you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and leave us some comments down in the YouTube comments. Otherwise, you can shoot us an email to workshop@nimblelink.com. And until next time, have fun building.